inverted, down, inverted, right, down. That algorithm helps me a lot if I'm stuck with stuff. And if you want to get a Rubik's Cube, I found mine at Target. And they're just really fun. You just have to understand the concept of it. And if you ever see someone trying to solve a 1x1 on YouTube, you can use your 3x3 and pretend it's like a 1x1, because it looks like a 1x1. You can just do this: right inverted, down inverted, right down, 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 right inverted, down inverted, right down. 6 times. Now, if you want to do something like this, this is really cool. Now watch this. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Hi, my name is Alan. I am going to show you a thing that you can do after you have solved a Rubik's Cube. Now, I've already solved a Rubik's Cube. I just solved it yesterday. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just like, I must have did secret scrambling code, and I was using this right here is my guide. Cause I'm still a noob at this, but I've been doing this for about maybe 12 months now. So anyway, this is some fun of what you can do with a Rubik's Cube after you have already solved it. Watch closely. I'm not going to reveal it to you. It's a Rubik's Cube trade secret. Bam. Now, say you're in something like this: left, right, front, back, up, down, middle. Then you go like this: left, right, front, back, up, down, middle. Then you're stuck. Now, this is something I use just in case this happens. Now watch closely. Left, right, up, down, front, back, middle, 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 away from you, middle, away from you. You got yourself a cat's eye. Now, just do the original form of it again. Left, right, up, down, front, back, middle, away from you, middle, away, middle, away. Then just do this: left, right, front, back, up, down, middle, left, right, front, back, up, down, middle. There you have it. Solve it quickly. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you later.